So, you ever pick up a camera, look around and go, wow, this place is aggressively uninspiring. Like nothing looks good, no epic mountains, no neon lights, not even a decent puddle for a reflection shot, just beige. Yeah, I'm dealing with that right now. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So today's video, it's a little different because I'm not coming at you as someone who figured it out. I'm coming at you as someone who's currently right in the middle of a creative block. And a big part of it, well, it's where I live. And I'm gonna be honest with you. Lately, I've been going out to shoot and coming back with nothing. Not bad photos. I mean nothing. Like I'll take a few shots, look at the back of the camera and go, no, we're not doing this today. And then I go home. And here's the thing, this happens to everyone. It doesn't matter how long you've been shooting. It doesn't matter what camera you use or how recent your camera is. Creative blocks are part of the process. But what makes it worse is when your environment isn't exactly helping. So let's talk about location for a second. Now, not everyone lives in some insane cinematic bucket list photography destination. Some of us are working with the same streets, the same buildings, the same flat lighting, the same everything. And after a while, your brain just checks out. It's like, oh cool, this again, awesome. So instead of just waiting for inspiration to magically show up, here's what I'm personally doing to break out of this right now. Number one, I'm changing how I shoot. Now, if the location isn't working, I'm not blaming the location anymore. I'm switching things up. Different focal lengths, shooting tighter, looking for textures, details, patterns, because wide shots here, yeah, not it. But details, there might be something there. Number two, I'm forcing constraints on myself. So right now, I'm literally going out with rules. Rules like one lens only, one subject, one idea. Because if I don't, I just wander around doing absolutely nothing, pretending that I'm looking for inspiration. Spoiler, I'm not. Number three, I'm shooting even when I don't feel like it. No, this one sucks because the easiest thing to do during a creative block is nothing. But that's also how you stay stuck. So even if I go out and I get 0 usable shots, I'm still going out because momentum matters more than motivation. Number four, I'm changing time, not location. Same place, different time. Sunrise, sunset, night, completely different feel. And honestly, that's been one of the biggest things that's been helping me right now. Number five, I'm lowering my expectations. Now this might be the biggest one. I'm not trying to create bangers every time I go out. Right now, I'm just trying to create something because chasing perfection is exactly what got me stuck in the first place. So here's what I've realized going through this. Stop chasing epic. Start chasing interesting because epic depends on where you are. Interesting depends on how you see things. So if you're stuck right now, if your location feels boring, if you feel like you've lost your creativity, you haven't. You're just in the part of the process that nobody posts about. And I'm right there with you. But see, this is where you actually get better. Because anyone can take a great photo in an amazing place. But making something out of nothing, that's the skill. Creativity isn't about where you are, it's about what you do with it. But I want to hear from you. What did you change during a creative block? Or are you currently in the same boat as me? I want to know. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for new videos. Also visit my website, jeff-gresham.com to pick up 1 or 2 of my new 2026 photo prints, as well as my Lightroom presets pack that I use for all my photo projects. And until next time, thank you for taking the time to hang out with me and get out there and shoot. And I'll see you again soon. Later.